Nobody. Nobody deserves that. Not even Charlie Kirk. Nobody deserves that. Gun violence is sad. Gun violence is life-altering, not just for the victim, but for their family, their friends, their loved ones, everyone that they care about. And if you want to claim to care about ending gun violence, then you can never celebrate it. It is so sad. It is so wrong. It is life-altering. If you celebrate this, if you don't condemn it, if you're happy, there's a clear line between me and you now. You are not a fan. I do not support you, and I do not want you to support me.